I had a few people ask me about when I'm going to show my new truck, my new tow vehicle, the F-250 Lariat with the Ultimate Package. I guess I've showed it before, but I'm going to show it more in detail. Now, this is the F-250 Lariat with the Ultimate Package. It also has the FX4 package on it, but all that chrome, when I originally looked at this vehicle, was the only one available. I was looking at, no, I don't want the chrome, I want to cover the chrome, but since I've had the truck all over the last 2 months, it's growing on me. I guess I'll keep the chrome on the truck, the chrome accents. This is the off-road package, which has off-road tuned shocks, skid plates over the transfer case and a fuel tank. And it also has, aesthetic-wise, the F4 package off-road decals and all-terrain tires. And as far as the suspension is concerned, the FX4 package, the Goldilocks choice, adds protection and better shocks for frequent trail use without sacrificing towing capacity. That's a plug. But it also has step up on the rear. It has 4 leafs in the back, a stronger back end to support going off-road. Look at those all-terrain tires. Nice. The decals, I wanted to remove the decals, but it couldn't do that. And then stepping around the back, the Super Duty logo, which I've got to change all of that Super Duty logo to a darker color over time. And the engine, opening up the hood, the engine is the 7.3 Godzilla engine, 7.3 Godzilla engine. This engine is built to do what it needs to do. Many people who I talk to say, hey, you should have got the diesel, but the 7.3 Godzilla engine is enough for what I need to do to pull my trailer. And just listen to that engine purr. It's not too bad, not too loud, and offers exactly what I'm looking for. Now there's some other features on the truck. Let's look at this key fob. Key fob is huge, but as I said, it has power running boards. Those things pop out as soon as you get close to the vehicle or you turn the vehicle on. And the folding mirrors. It's nice, but it also is something else to go wrong electronically. And in the bed, the tailgate, double push, tailgate pops down. Soft closing, and I can kick it up and it goes up also. Also have the Pro Power Onboard, which is 2 kilowatts of power. I wish it had 3 kilowatts of power. That would help me start up my air conditioning on those hot days when I'm not fully hooked up to shore power, but that's fine. And I have a backflip tonneau cover. Locks in. It keeps most things safe, but if a thief really wanted to get into the truck, he can get in. But it's aluminum, it's sturdy, and it supports 350 pounds. And it's time to step inside the back seat just to see all of the space that's there. Lots of space in this back seat. Lots of space. Space, how much space we have in this truck. I'm 5'11", and look at the size. We got all this space in here. Pretty good. Now underneath the seat, there's a lot of space or storage space that's up there. It's got to pull the trigger. Yeah, but look looking at the space on the door, lots of a good amount of space to store on the door. Has soft touch supports, has the Bose speaker and little accents. That's a good compartment for storage underneath the seats, and it's a 70-30 split. Pretty nice. And the leather seats with their red trim. Soft seats. In the back, passengers also have use of USB-C and power heated seats in the back on those cold days. Now, getting up into the truck, soft on both sides, support a little wood accents, Bose speaker in the door, and power seats inside. This is part of that ultimate package for both the passenger and the driver. And it's good storage space. You have 2 glove compartments, one on the bottom, which is pretty huge, pretty deep, and then one on the top. And the top one there. And also you have the standard power connections that are there. That's AC 120 and a 12 volt. Stepping around to the driver's side. One of the things I wanted to show is the heads-up display. Look at that heads-up display right there. And then the standard. I didn't go into what you see in front of you in any detail, but you have exactly what you need. Then the display. One of the things that was different about the display is when I'm parked. Yeah, that's the truck brake, air conditioning control, apps go into YouTube. I can do YouTube when I'm parked just to pass the time. Right there on the screen. I have a few apps that you can add and lots of features. You know, one of the things that Ford did and does is whenever you buy a Super Duty and you're not familiar with all the controls, you actually have an opportunity for a Ford technician to come on the line and speak to you in detail. I like this about the truck. This is the camera system. Surround, the front end, split it up in 3 different ways. The front and the back. It's a nice camera system. It works. Pro trailer ring system assist with backing up the trailer. On the driver's side window, there's the lights. Park and brake, full on, and for those short people, you can push the brake pedal or the pedals back and forth. And you have a place to store the positioning of the seats for 3 different drivers. Lock and unlock. And I like the extended mirrors. This is something that I use when I'm pulling the trailer. Extend the mirror. You can actually see down the side of the trailer in the back. And then other place to control the windows going up and down. It's pretty nice. I have the auxiliary switches that's on the back, and then a power rear sliding window. That's a little different. And I also have a power double pane sunroof. On those days when you want to open it up and see everything, it goes back, pretty far back. Double pane. Opens up and let the outside air and the sun in. Look at it. Nice on the inside. Shutting it back. Now this is just a quick overview of what this Ford F-250 Lariat has to offer. Lots of inside bells and whistles. As I can, I'll do more videos. Thank you for watching. This is Mitch.